Do you have a large customer base for your services and subscriptions, but you cannot manage all your customers properly because you do not have a website? And let's be honest, creating a website is not easy. It is a very lengthy process, and there are a lot of expenses that are associated with creating a website, such as domain, hosting, web design cost, and so many other types of expenses. If you want to avoid all these costs, you can simply use a very useful tool that we are going to talk about today. So welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out the other videos. So the product we are going to talk about today is Oode. This is an all-in-one business management platform where you can offer all of your services just like a website. And there are a lot of features in Oode, such as you can create an online store for your business. You can sell all of your services and even subscriptions on the site that Oode gives you. And just like professional websites, you can add customer reviews to make your site more reliable to potential clients. There are some really good features, such as you can offer services with scheduling platform, so people can schedule a meeting with you and then opt to get your service. And about the payment, there is no need to worry because Oode accepts one-off and recurring payments for your services. There are some other features, such as you can improve your relationships with your customer through built-in chat, free consultation, and even an integrated CRM. A great news is Oode is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So the regular price of Oode is $499, but at Appsumo you are getting Oode at only $49 for a lifetime with an one-time payment. And here are all the features that you will get from the Oode lifetime deal. You can make an online booking page. You can get the scheduling feature. There are some other features such as live chat, reviews, video meeting via Zoom, calendar sync, mobile app, online stores, accept payments via Stripe, and others. So here are the 3 deals that are available currently on Appsumo. The Oode license tier 1 costs $49. That lets you add 1 sub account. And there are unlimited booking services, subscriptions, custom domains, and white labeling. The license tier 2 costs $149, which lets you add 25 sub accounts, and the rest of features are same. And the last tier, which is tier 3, it costs $249, and the sub accounts rises to 100, and the rest of features are the same. Oode also offers 2 pricing plans on their website. One is basic, which is free of cost, and these are all the features. Then there is the Pro plan, which is for money makers, and it is going to cost $49, and these are all the features of the Pro plan. Before I show you the Oode dashboard and how to use Oode to make your website for your services, here is a website that I have made using Oode. So as you can see, this is a portfolio website for a web designer named James Robert, and here is his description. Here are some FAQs, and these are the services he is currently offering. There is also a section where you can get a free consultation with James Robert. Apart from these features, you can add a lot more things to your website through Oode. I am going to show you all of them in a moment. We are currently on the dashboard of Oode. From here you can see the sales revenue of your website, the amount of services that are selling, and the percentage for your clients. And you can filter these options from here. You can also see the statistics for last 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, and here are some other analytics. So you can see how many visitors are landing on your website, how many have interacted, and how many have contacted with you. You can also see the countries and the cities your visitors are coming from. There are a lot of other features on the left side of the dashboard. However, we cannot see any of them if we do not create a website. So let me create a website. For that, we would like to go to storefront. And as you can see, this is the website section. All you have to do is click on content. So here is a preview of your website, and I really like how Oode lets you optimize your website for mobile. So from this section you can see how your website is looking for mobile visitors, and from this section you can see the desktop version. On the left side you can make all the adjustment that you need. For example, I want to change the title to John, and I can also set a custom URL. So I'm going to set it John11. You can change the banner. Keep in mind, this is the banner for desktop and this is the banner for mobile. So let me upload a mobile banner. You can upload your own, you can paste a YouTube link, you can also choose from Unsplash. So I'm going to choose this first image and then crop and apply. Now let's see the mobile version, and as you can see, the banner has been successfully applied. There are a lot of other adjustments. You can upload your favicon, you can add the designation. So I'm going to add graphic designer. You can also add some tags. There are some other options such as shop services level, checkout level, and obviously the about me section. So then comes the tab that lets you set all the information for contacting, and then you can set the opening hours. This is for scheduling. Once all the settings have been done, you can click on update and enable storefront. You can also add some other customizations from appearance. So you can change the layout. For example, you want this layout, so this is more zoomed in. So I'm going to choose the first one. There are some color presets. For example, you can choose the blue color or the green color. So this changes the background for your web page. There are some other customizations. You can change the header, the background, the color, the typography, border radius, and footer. So after your adjustment, click on update, and then let me add some other customizations. For example, reviews. So I can add a review in my website. So let me add a review from Fahim, and it could be about anything you want. Once the review have been added, just click on save, and let's see if it has appeared on the website. So as you can see, it is now on the website. You can also do even SEO for your Oode website. So you can type in your meta title, you can also add a meta description, and then upload your SEO banner and just click on save. There are two other options. One is legal. So from here you can update your terms of service and even your privacy policy. So the advantage here is Oode already has their own privacy policy as well as terms of service. If you want to add your own, you have to use the other options such as custom URL, downloadable file, and manually writing URL from docx file. There is also a custom code option. So if you want more optimization to done to your website, you can add some custom code from here. Now let's see how our website looks. For that, you have to click on view storefront, and as you can see, this is our website. These are the services. This is the free consultation, and there are also some other sections, review and FAQ, and at the end in the footer you have your terms of service and privacy policy. Going back to Oode, we can now check the other settings. So let's start with bookings. In this booking section, all of your bookings will appear. So if a customer books a meeting with you, you can see that from here. You can also see their ID, services, time, date, location, and other information. If you want the bookings for a particular service, you can do that from here. For example, you can see all the bookings of free consultation from this option. You can also change the timing for your bookings, and all of your clients will appear in this section. You can see the client name, the order they are making, and their status. You can also search for a particular client from this section. There's even a chat tab. So all of your chats will appear in this section, and if you want to see the conversation with a particular client, you can see that from this section. So the question here is, how can a customer sends you a message? To show you that, we have to go back to the website, and on the right bottom you can see a chat icon. You have to click on there and then send a message. So I'm going to write hello. And now if you go back to the dashboard, you can see in the all tab there is a message written hello, and you can also see the location and timing of your message. And if you want to reply to the message, you can do that from here. So I'm going to reply WhatsApp and then enter. Now let's go back to the website, and as you can see, the reply is here. A great feature of this chat option is customers can even add attachments in this conversation. Back to the Oode dashboard. The next feature is a very interesting one. It is marketing. So from here you can create your own campaign. To be precise, it is email marketing campaign. For that, first you have to confirm your sender identity. So if you click on email, you have to paste your email in this box and then click on submit. So a verification will go to your email, and from there you have to verify. So after verification, you will get a message like this in here. So once again, go back to marketing, and now you have to add some contacts before creating the marketing campaign. So what are these contacts exactly? For email marketing campaign, you will send emails to your potential customers, and obviously you will have their contact information. So you have to add that contact information in here. Let me show you how. First, click on add. So this is the name of a list. This is not the name of your contact, keep in mind. So I'm going to name it contact list 1 and then save. So contact list 1 has been created, and now you can add your contact. You can import it from your CSV file. You can also add contacts manually. For that, you have to fill out all the box and then click on save. So as you can see, the contact has been added. So once all of your contacts are in this list, you can now go back to the campaign section, and then from here click on create new. So first you have to give a campaign name and then click on next, and in this section you have to give the sender identity. So who is sending this? So here is my email and I am going to give it a sender's name. Next. So now is the time to add the contact. So I only have one contact. I'm going to select that group and then click on next. So from this messages section, you can schedule your campaign. So when do you want to send your email? You can do this. You can set the date and the time. You can also upload a email cover. You can add some variables such as email, first name, last name, and public URL. There is obviously the option to add subject. So let me fill out these boxes. Once the boxes are filled out, you can click on next. You can also send yourself a test message if you want, and then click on submit. So the campaign has been created. Now let's see the campaign. So as you can see, its status is processing, and this is the campaign. You can also clone this campaign or cancel this if you want. The next feature on Oode dashboard is services. So you can change these services or add some more services from this section. So these are the two services that are currently on the website. Let me add another one. For that, you have to choose the service name. So this is basically the duration for meeting with your clients. So I'm going to select 15 minutes. You can also select the location where the meeting will be held. So you can select my location, customer address, online, Zoom, even Google Meet. You have to add a short description for the service. You can also add bullets like the features of this logo design service, and the last two boxes are price and tax. So I'm going to add a price of $50 and then click on save. So as you can see, the service has been added. Let's see in the website, and in this section you can see the service has been successfully added. The next feature on Oode dashboard is subscription. So from here you can add subscriptions, not services, for your customers. And since my Stripe is not connected to Oode, I cannot show you how to add subscriptions. However, it is very easy and very similar to the services. Another tab on Oode's dashboard is finances. From here you can see different types of statistics related to your finances, such as income, expenses, contacts. Keep in mind, this is not the usual contact for your email marketing. This is the contacts of your customers, suppliers, and you can add new contacts from here. There are some other features such as mileage records, vehicles. So the last option on Oode's dashboard is settings, and from here you can see all the integrations that are available with Oode. So for payment, you can connect your Stripe. For online meetings, there are Google and Zoom integrations. For API and connectors, there is Zapier, which is all of our favorite. There are also some other integrations for calendars with Microsoft Outlook and Google account. So overall, Oode is an excellent tool that lets you create website for services and subscriptions. I really like that Oode doesn't only provide the desktop version of your website, it also provides a very mobile optimized version for all the mobile users. As for the cost, I think $49 is totally justified. At only $49, you are getting a fully customized website. On the other hand, if you build a website from scratch, it is going to cost way more than $49. So if you want to buy Oode from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description. That will take you to the Oode official Appsumo page. As for the features, these are once again the features. And these are the 3 packages from Appsumo. The tier 1 cost $49 for 1 sub account, the tier 2 cost $149 for 25 sub accounts, and tier 3 cost $249 for 100 sub accounts. So with 100 sub accounts you can create 100 different websites, which I think is an amazing deal. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have liked the video and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Stay safe till our next video, and goodbye.